Gonna drop a gear, disappear! Go faster, bro! Ah! He's turning. Go turn, motherfucker! Ah, these are some nice roads here, bud. I like quesadillas. Eh. Ooh, 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 Woo! What is it? What is it? What is it? Ah, it's a CBR! Woo! Someone just decided, I'm gonna cut this forest down right down the middle and build a road. Yeah, they did. This is a nice straight road to just wham, wham, wham. Disgusting! Another one! Oh, there's an ice cream shop! And it said it was open! Yeah, dude, I want ice cream. I'm craving that shit. My flavor flav is usually cooked Oreo, but I think I'm gonna try something different. Cookie. Hey, there's a restaurant here.